Notion agents are here, but you know what's cooler? If my Notion just wrote itself. My task list, my CRM, every article that I've ever read, all of these things are created as database on my Notion, and I have not typed in manually in it in weeks now. Let's be honest. Every Notion setup that you've ever built would be perfect for a couple of days, max a couple of weeks. But then it dies. And it dies because you forget to maintain it. Notion was built for highly ultra organized people, not for people who want to be more organized. So I fired myself from the job of ever having to maintain my Notion. I just connected two connectors to Claude. One was Notion, one was Minimi. And now my Notion writes itself. So this is my to-do list. I promise someone something in a chat and it shows up here as a task. Priority, due date, and the conversation it came from, everything is listed. And the tasks I finish, they already get marked as done. I did the work, Minimi saw it happen, and my Notion just got updated on it. With the similar trick, I have a small founder CRM as well. Every person I pitch to, WhatsApp, X, LinkedIn DM, anywhere, it gets flagged on my Notion, and I know exactly where I am in that conversation with them and who do I need to get back to. I have a read log of every interesting thing that I have read, all the interesting articles that I spent my time on, or any X post that I spent a lot of my time on. All of it lands in one place, and I am very easily able to find any of them because all the links are also listed alongside them. So all of this happens automatically. And also my second brain is on Notion. It uses Karpathy's style of maintaining your knowledge bases. And the best part is that it just gets all the data from Minimi and updates itself. Keep your Notion. Keep the pretty dashboards. Just fire yourself from having to ever update them. Your Notion should update it. I will be releasing an article that will cover these different use cases, and you will be able to create this for yourself.